Alright, so we're going to unbox the Basin Faucet WaterSong Perfect Aqua. And this is, whoops, and this right here is the model. And it tells you it's a double-handled bathroom faucet. It tells you about the main body. It's a zinc alloy. And it gives you all the information on it. So let's go ahead and take a look at this bad boy. And if you want to hit them up online, there you go. All right, look at this thing. Wow, just beautiful, right? So anyway, here is your the main faucet itself. And as you can see, it's got this beautiful spout where the water comes through. I mean, it's beautiful, right? And it connects to the to your cabinet here, and you've got steel and rubber. All right, so the rubber is going to go here, and then the cabinet would be in between, and then the steel there. And then you just tighten it down here to get it locked against that cabinet. And here's where the water comes in from your two handles. So let's look at the handles. So here they are, very simple. And this unscrews like that, right? And it's the same thing. You've got the steel here, and then you've got your rubber here, and you want to keep that rubber against the countertop, and this is going to be where the counter is going to be, and then this is going to tighten against it. And you can use these to tighten it really good. First you would go like this, get it tight against the counter, and then you would lock down those screws. And this right here is where your water from the valve comes in. We're going to show you that in a second. But basically this one and this one work the same. And you're going to notice there's blue on this one, there's red on that one. So this would be your hot water. But I don't know why they do that, because you can, whatever you hook the hot water to, you're going to have it hooked. All right, so what's going to happen is you're going to take this. If you notice, look, see how that moves? See how it comes up? And so this would go into that like this. And you would just shove it down in there, and then that would lock around it. And then to release it, you'd pull it out. I'm not pushing it all the way in right now, but that's how that goes. These two right here are going to go in like this, just like that, and it works the same way. Here, you see what I mean? So you push it, and then this would go in, and then you let go of it, and it locks around it. I'm not pushing it all the way in because it's going to lock around right here, and then it would be all the way down in there. I don't want to screw around with these right now. When I install it, I'll push it all the way in. So this would be pushed all the way in here, and this one would be pushed all the way in here, and this one, and then this would go in here like that. Now, you're saying, what do we do with these two here? All right, so you're going to see, here's your red. So you want to use the red lined one, and that's going to go in there. And you're just going to screw that right in there, okay? And then the bottom of this is going to go to your water supply. This would be your hot water. This would be your cold water. Usually your hot water's on the left, cold water's on the right when you're looking at your faucet drains under your sink. That's usually, but you never know. I mean, who knows who put it all in. So this hooks up to the water supply underneath your sink. These two here are going to go into your handles at these ports right there, right? And these two here are going to connect on these two, and then this is going to connect there. And that's basically how you do it. And that's pretty much it. So what I'm going to do is put this back in here, because I'm going to install this at my other property. And but right now, I don't have the counters yet, so I've got to wait. But when I do that, I'm going to invite you guys to watch and see how we do it. And it should only take about an hour to do it. So I'm going to put them all back in here for now, so that we keep them nice and shiny and not scratched, because you don't want to scratch them, right? And so we're going to save all that. I'll put that in there, put it back in here, and then we don't want to forget to put this in there. And then we'll just go ahead and shut it up right like that. Bam. Put that there. And then if you look, this is the one that has the double faucets on the either side. And that's the color of it. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on stuff like this right here. Peace out.